Let me ask you something uncomfortable. Why are people still charging by the hour? No, seriously. In a world where AI finishes work before your coffee gets cold, why does hourly billing still exist? Here's what most people missed. Meta quietly spent $2 billion on an AI system that doesn't count hours. It doesn't log time. It doesn't track effort. It doesn't care how long something takes. It just delivers results. And that one change is enough to end hourly billing forever. Designers, pay attention. Developers, this matters to you. Freelancers, agencies, consultants, this isn't a future problem. It's already happening. The AI is called Manus. And once clients understand what it can do, they'll never ask, how many hours will this take, ever again. Stay till the end, because I'll show you how people are already escaping hourly pricing by riding this exact shift. If you're early, this video can completely change how you make money. Let's break it down. Manus AI is not a chatbot. It's not here to help you brainstorm ideas or rewrite emails. Manus is an autonomous AI agent. That means you don't guide every step. You give it an objective. And it figures out the process. Planning. Execution. Completion. No hand-holding. No micromanaging. No time tracking. This is why Meta invested billions. They're not buying convenience. They're buying freedom from human time. Hourly pricing only existed for one reason. Work used to take time. Time meant effort. Effort justified money. But AI doesn't work like that. A task that took 8 hours yesterday can now take seconds. So tell me, what is an hour worth when time no longer matters? Exactly. The hour loses meaning. And when meaning disappears, pricing collapses. Here's a simple mental trick that instantly changes everything. Stop asking, how long will this take me? Start asking, what problem does the client actually want solved? That one question pulls you out of hourly billing automatically. Meta isn't building tools for workers. They're building systems that execute. Manus can run entire workflows from start to finish. Research. Strategy. Content. Code. One goal goes in. Finished work comes out. No delays. No bottlenecks. No human fatigue. If this is already shifting how you think, you'll want what's coming next. I break down AI changes like this regularly. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next wave before it goes mainstream. The smartest people aren't fighting AI. They're repositioning. They stopped selling hours. They started selling outcomes. AI does the heavy lifting. They do the thinking. That's leverage. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Clients won't ask, how many hours did this take? They'll ask, why does this cost so much if AI did it instantly? And your answer decides whether you get paid or replaced. AI removes execution cost. So what's left that's valuable? Decision making. Strategy. Problem framing. Manus doesn't replace experts. It exposes people who only sold time. Old model. I'll work 20 hours on this. New model. I'll deliver a finished system. One sells effort. The other sells results. If you want to stay ahead of this shift, make sure you're subscribed. I share AI strategies most people only understand after it's too late. Manus AI isn't the end. It's the blueprint. More autonomous agents are coming. And every one of them pushes hourly billing closer to extinction. The future doesn't belong to the fastest worker. It belongs to the best problem solver who knows how to use AI. In the next video, I'll break down how people are packaging AI into high-ticket offers without selling their time. That one changes everything. Subscribe now. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.